Hmm. Oh, we just took out IC low. Hmm. Alright. So okay, this is another live trading of PM session Silver Bullet. It's occurring on August 18th, 2023. Fuck, I'm under. So as we can see, we are currently below everything. I'd like to use the annotation. Below everything, below New York 830, below midnight, below VWAP, below in DOG, below gap, below everything. So yeah, and we just took out New York lunch low, AM low, and to the right we have London low that been wiped out, and also the Asia low from the Wednesday. So I think, oh, the Asia is not yet taken out. Oh, it is. Yeah, we've been. So I think my bias will be buy right now. Uh, yes, I'll be looking for a buy anticipation here because we are very much uh, bearish, very much discounted, and I will let the price to run first on a macro time, which is now it's running on a 150 to 210. So let's see what's the market gonna do here. We do have some sort of FEG, but it got filled, and I think this one is a bearish BPR, but that's just too small. I don't want to count that just yet. So I'll be just waiting for now for what's the market's gonna give it to me. Looking at the higher time frame on the 5 minutes, we don't have any uh, shift yet, but the market just breaking structures, telling us that it is going to go lower, because overall if we look at the higher time frame, we are in a bearish trend right now. But this big candle can't be that big, you know. It has to shrink or something like that. Okay, things that needs to be concerned, that also that we are on a, we have couple of bearish FEG, which one is here, second is here, but let's see if this move is gonna fill that up. If it does, forming a displacement, leaving imbalance, I think that's just gonna be my entry right there. Okay, one more minute. If it's selling, I don't know where it's gonna go because we don't have any close target to the downside. But reverting back to the past price, we have this imbalance here, gap, which is not taken yet. It's really fresh with this equal lows, but I'm not sure if the price gonna go there. It's somewhere around 5 handles, so I think it's gonna be close. If it wants to go there and then goes back up, I'll let it do it, but my bias is still a buy. So let me take a look at the NQ right now. NQ is probably the same thing. 15 minutes. We have AM high. Uh, we have Asia low, London low, and New York lunch low. Oh, but the AM has not yet taken out by the London move. I mean PM move. But it's also below everything, so it's in a discount. Look at this tab on this FVG, it's very beautiful. On the 1 hour, we are inside of the monthly BC. I think that it's gonna be our concern. So same thing here on the Nasdaq. I will be looking for a buy setup. I think this one could be the setup, like triggered here. Let's see. I'm just drawing on it. I don't put anything on Nasdaq yet. I don't have the guts to trade on this one. Mine is still on SPX. SPX. So we are 10:01 here on the silver bullet hour. We don't have any clear FEG yet or signs that where the market is gonna go. So let's wait. Because on the AM we were pretty much bearish. Okay, let's see what's the market gonna do here. My level of shift will be here. The major is gonna be here. What's going on with the XY? Nothing. Oh, it finally arrived here. Still don't have anything going on here. Market is consolidating. We have 7 more minutes to complete the PM macro beginning to 210. So let's wait patiently and not do anything stupid. What I want the price to do is to take out this outside liquidity here and here, displacing FEG and then take off. But let's see what is it gonna give us. Oh, the first FEG is to the downside, but as I said, if it wants to go to the previous fresh FEG on the left, where is it? It's somewhere around here. I will let it run there because it's kind of already arrived. I will mark this level. Because this is a really interesting level. Okay, boom. Let's bullish efficiency. Okay. We are close to it. Let's see what's the market is going to give when it tapped on this 15 minutes bullish FEG. I'll lock that. The daily candle. This is also interesting that we are on the CE of this wick. Let me mark where the CE is. It's here. 50%. Boom. Wick. Okay. Where is it now? We are on the CE. Let's see the reaction of it. Okay. If I'm seeing my old setup appearing again, I'm gonna take that, which is going to be the bullish BPR that overlapping this bearish FEG. So that's the bearish FEG. But it will be a kind of low probability setup right here because the market has not yet shifted. We have a volume imbalance here, which is going to be kind of a good entry point too if the market needs to go back to fill this, because it's inside of this oh no, it's not. No, forget about it. Okay, delete that. Okay, see on NQ. Oh, NQ was just running through to the SL, not hit but comes back again. This is not my trade, I'm just drawing it for fun. Okay, my shift will be here, adjusted. This is the more aggressive level. If I'm drawing it by myself, it means it's like an aggressive level. So we're almost finished on the macro, 10 seconds left. I'll still look for a buy. I think if you jump into this FEG, that should be good too. I don't know. this one. But I'll surely wait for the market to do shift first, confirmed by the indicator, because a couple of times I did it without the indicators confirmation. I got fucked real hard, like twice. It just like comes back to my stop loss. It got obliterated like instant. It looks like the price is respecting the weak CE by looking at this reaction on the 1 minute chart. Let's see. So we still have the downside pressure here. Nothing happening on the 3 minutes except this FVG that was outside of this silver bullet hour, but seems to be respected, although it's closed above the CE. Hey yo, Tin Man, what's going on, man? Tin Man, how are you? How are you? Hope you're doing fine. Hope you are doing good. I'll delete this to not confuse everyone. NAS is also not yet printing any shift. Okay, all good, bro. How are you doing? I'm pretty good. Thank you very much for asking. Yeah, overall it's pretty good despite of everything that been happening. But today is a good day. Positive for the day on the trading. Hope you do well too. Did you catch anything or have any bias to share? Maybe you are looking for a sell because of some reason. You can tell me, so I'll follow that. Or or to make me not taking the buy. Because if I buy this liquidity over here on the lunch high looks juicy. It's above midnight too. Could be arrived there and then goes back down. And also look at this. AM high. It's also look juicy. So I'll keep my buy. Yes, I am trading the silver bullet, but I don't know if I'm doing it well. I just kind of following whatever it is. I mean, it's supposed to be like between the time. Look for the first. Was it the first FEG that forms during the time, and then for that, but I kind of made some, changes and modification and whatever you call it. So I kind of still want to call it a silver bullet because I took the time on it. But the way I trade is gonna be similar to that silver bullet, like liquidity sweep, and then displacement, FEG, and enter. And also DXY I think has done its job to wipe this high. This was the level that ICT said that the XY is gonna come through, and in fact it did. Just today. So if it's done and it wants to take some rest downside, I think it's gonna be the time. Maybe forming TGIF setups tomorrow to the downside, I don't know. But if that is happening, I will be correct on my bias. What is happening on NQ finally wipe this sell side liquidity over here. It bridged down. But if it wants to go lower, where will it be going to? Where's the current price? Oh, where's the current price, bro? So that one. Ah. Current price is okay. Oh, that line. Okay, here. Oh, it's inside of this bullish FVGCE. I think if this respected, this is gonna be a good sign that it's gonna be going bullish. But let's see. Still gonna wait. Have to wait. Okay, move this here. Oh, my aggressive level is gonna be there. Oh, we are finally tapping into this FVG, bullish FVG. It was 15 minutes to the left. Don't remember when. What was it? ICT tweeted something? Oh no. Oh wait. Oh shit. If I say that I'm missing this move from this FEG, I don't have any strong reason on where it's gonna go because all of the liquidities were taken, the close liquidity, the sell side, maybe on a higher time frame, I don't know. But on the lower time frame, I don't see any sell side resting below. So yeah, I don't regret missing those moves. I don't count it as a move. Yet I'll still be looking for a displacement up, FEG, and then entry there. Boom. Easy as that. Oh my god, I'm very exhausted. Not exhausted, but it's just like it should be my regular sleeping time, but I just wants to up a little bit more. And I forget to paste this. If you want to join the Discord server, it's pretty much welcome. You can click that link and then join the community. To see updates about what's the how the trade's going, how the people are, and then just yeah, it's just like a family WhatsApp group, but it's on Discord. Do you look for a sweep? And yes, yes, I will look for displacement to the upside, leaving an FEG, and then I'll take it. This kind of a good one. This FEG right here. If you want to take the aggressive approach, but I will wait for my market structure shift first. But my aggressive level is already shifted, like somewhere around, could be here, but I will not be taking this now because no, I'll keep this here. You could enter the FEG which has yes, I know this one. My aggressive self would take this, but my conservative side is not allowing me to do it yet. Maybe on the 3 minute we will catch that. Let me mark 3 minutes. It's warming still. This is also a beautiful FEG on the 3 minutes. This could be picked up later because as this one formed, there's a possibility that on the 1 minute it is already forming the shift to the upside. You still on the funded account? The first one blown. Yeah. First one blown. Now I'm managing to. Not funded yet. It's a challenge account still. One is on the plus percentage, and the second one is on the drawdown. Same size, 10k of 10k. Okay. The OTE of this is within that FEG. So I think I will take a trade if the market at least comes back to this 3 minutes FEG. That will be it. Okay, here is the 5 handles alert. And my target will be, wait, let me catch an entry first before I determine where my target is. The market is frozen. This is also interesting on the Nasdaq. This FEG. Let's set a limit here. This is just an imaginary shit. I don't trade NAS. Oops. Where will be the target? Okay, it comes back. I will start entering. Okay, let's wait. Okay, I'll start to enter my trade now. Okay. Stop is 5 handle. So my entry is at this FEG right here. It's kind of a risky trade because the market has not shifted to the upside yet. Even my level has not been taken out, but I'll risk some here. Do you trade the tip of the FEG of or do you trade the tip of FEG or equilibrium? I usually do the tip of the FEG because the equilibrium is not that often to be touched, even though it is the one that provide the best what setup. But I will prefer the tip of it of the FEG because it offers more entry than the equilibrium. Remember about your risk. Don't exceed it. Don't move it. Don't do anything. If it's a loss, it's a loss. The very likely target will be the midnight. That's already 80 handles if this works out. But targeting this liquidity should be also the option because there's a pretty good equal highs, but yeah, that will be a later on the target. We're still draw down here. We're still in the drawdown. Just stopped by to say good morning to you. Good morning to you too. It's an afternoon, I think, on New York, and a good night here in my time zone. So yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. You can go now. Did you catch anything on the EU? Maybe on the forex? Let me guess. Oh, nothing happened on that pair, huh? Oh, this FEG. Would you take this? Shift? Not that strong of a shift, but oh, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Still holding. I wanna take a screenshot of this trade and upload it to my Discord for my journaling. Euro USD price action was terrible during London session. I think it was on all. All instrument 1808. Oh, pardon my alarm. Because even on the ES and Nasdaq, it was also kind of I don't know how to say that. It moves, but the direction is just not clear. On London, I caught 2 trades, 1 loss and 1 win. The first one I took was here, so that was a shift here. Yeah, I entered here. I don't know why I entered there. It was premium, but I entered that. Get stopped. But the second of the re-entry, I put it here because I see a good reaction on this green VWAP line. But I took the trade out around 7 handles, I think. Here. Yeah, I don't hold it for long, just to recover this trade. Got some profits on it, but I'm kind of not don't want to hold it. But if I hold it, look at where the price go. And I think we are stopped here. Are we? Oh, so close. So close. It's so close. Demo, sorry. Yes, it is a demo account. It was a chop fierce of London today, yeah. And yeah, overall today I'm still up. Let me check the demo account first. My so as I said before, I managed two accounts. To daily overview. So on the account that is on the drawdown, I am. How do I see it? How do I see it? I mean, the previous. Okay, here. So I'm up 0.6% on the drawdown account and up 1.7% on the profit account. So profit account, that's how to say it. Profit account, yeah. Do you trade on funded only when there's setups? There's A. Do you mean A as a like the quality of the setup? I would not say that I do that. I will take every single setups available. That's why my accounts is in drawdown. So like this, maybe this was not an A trade setup because the market has not shifted yet, but I kind of want to risk it, and I'll risk it. I took it. So the answer to that is a no. I take every single setups available, whether it's A, B, C, D to Z. It's just the risk that I'm managing. Like if it's an A setup, the percentage of the loss that I can tolerate will be bigger. But if it's like a B, B minus C, or even a Z, yeah, the percentage of the amount of loss that I will put on that will be lower. But I will still take the trade. That's just the idea. Look at this nest. It poop and then back. I don't know. I don't trade nest. If Riot is here right now, he will be saying this as I don't know. I saw him talking about Reaper. No, back in the days. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. That might be it. Let's keep the drawing here just to see in the hindsight. I'm still very concerned that the price is not going anywhere now. Okay, nice reaction on this FEG. Riot should change his name to Reaper Riot. You should tell him in the Discord. Come on, react. Just give me some reaction on it. Oh no, it closed. Well, I guess it's gonna go down to smash our SL. Oh, the setup was late. It's around 30. 1:30. And we are 9 minutes away from the PM closing macro, which is gonna happen here around 2:50 to 3:10. I don't know what it's gonna do. I'm just gonna leave everything as it is. Oh, there's another 1 hour candle formed. It's not. Oh yeah, of course it's on 14. So yeah, I will leave this as it is. Gonna go now, bro. Hope the trade goes well. Is it well? Yeah, you will. Thank you very much for hanging around, bro. I mean, catch you in the next live, live stream. You know, not a live. Thank you very much. Have a good time. Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom now, real quick. Tomorrow to GIF. Yes, sir. But I don't know how to do it yet. You guide me. All right, stopped here. Wow, look at that move. Pop. Mhm. Updating Discord. SL hit. So if there's a setup that I missed, that would have been this one. So I really want to revisit my strategy to take the first FAG that happens after the hour start, because that just like I back tested it yesterday and that turns out very well. Say that I took this right and target something like that. 5 handles, comes back to pick up the orders again, goes down again, and now it goes down 8 handle. Not, but again, I see no high probability setup on the sell. So yeah, no regret at all. Setup followed, nothing goes wrong. I will hang around to see what's the market gonna do on the macro. Imagine that you don't know how to take TGIF and you forced it, then you lost it. I mean, this is a setup that's gonna appear once a week, right? And you lost it, then you need to wait for the next week to redo the setup. Damn, that's crazy. I mean, but no. Shit. But if you can utilize that TGIF, that will be a very powerful thing. $20 seconds to the macro. See what it's gonna do. Do. Okay, what I like to see, if this was the setup right here, because it drives the price down. After this silver bullet hour, after this PM setup, I would like the price to comes back up. Okay, into the macro now. Macro. Oh, I need to set alarm for tomorrow. Oops. Oh. Why we don't look at sell position? Sorry for my English. I mean, it was a good sell position uh, if I took it. It's here. Like referring to the bottom or the core theory of silver bullet is to take the first FVG that forms between the hour, right? This will be the thing. This is it. This line is the start, and then the first FVG is here. Enter here. That will be the best. And I mean, yeah, see that? Pretty good 11 handles secured. But from my perspective, also, yeah, Plus Ultra trades helped me to answer the question because we are in a very discounted price. I would like to revert this as a below everything. What I mentioned as everything is that the midnight level, the Hong Kong gap, which is residing in between this and this. Below that, we are also below the New York 830. Even we are below the 0.5 fib retracement. That's why I am not preferring to sell here. Even the setup was a sell. But that's just the thing that I hate, that I said before. Like the market is just keep going down, even if it is in a discount. Maybe on the higher premium discount array it's still like possible to drop, then that's why it's kind of dropped. But since we are trading the silver bullet, then I will stick to the 1 minute and see this price as a discount, really deep discount. Look at that swing. That's very deep. That's why I am not taking the buy the sell. Sorry, how to say your name? Lit Litter FX. And Q's drop 0.9. Okay, this is failed. It's not happening. This is not. Is gold trying to make a higher price? Hmm. There's so many inefficiency if it's like in gold move. Like. Hey, thank you very much, bro. Antonio Valentino. Valentin. No. Oh. I mean, you know. I will wait for a market structure shift printed by the indicator. It must be printed by the indicator. Then wait for it to comes back to the valid FEG, then take that. Oh, the new Hong Kong gap is just formed. It's the closing of 1459 candle or the opening of the 13 candle. I'll stay here for 10 more minutes to see the macro. Anything new comment? Nest still bears 14,700. Yeah, I think there's not no sign of the price is gonna go bullish in any short time. So I think I'm gonna end the live. I mean the live stream. ES just took uh, a huge amount of liquidity, and it's also Friday after a week of bearish day, meaning the reversal which can begin. Yeah. Of course, of course. Like you are putting this together now. The question would be that 2 to 30%. Yeah. Yep. So that's just the idea. So I think the prices just keep going down. I will end this live stream because we are finally at the end of the macro hour, but still the price is just wants to deliver down. So this AM session, one lose on trades, both account the same. So thank you very much for hanging around. I think I will catch you in the next live stream. Bye bye.